Imagine if just a few words could spark instant attraction, make a woman feel drawn to you, and create a connection so strong that she can't stop thinking about you. Sound impossible? It's not. Words have power. The right words, spoken with confidence, can trigger emotions, build curiosity, and make you stand out from every other guy she meets. Today, I'll share 6 powerful phrases that can do exactly that. But be warned, the last one, most men are too afraid to use it. Phrase number 1. You have a unique way about you. I like that. This isn't just a compliment. It's a mystery. When you say this, she immediately wonders, what does he mean? What's special about me? She'll start thinking about you, trying to figure out why you see something in her that others don't. Most guys compliment looks, your beautiful, nice dress, cute smile. That's boring. But when you recognize something deeper, her energy, her passion, the way she speaks, it makes her feel truly seen. Use this line with eye contact and a slight smile. Watch how the energy shifts instantly. Phrase number 2. I like women who know what they want. Most men chase, beg for attention, and try to impress. But this phrase flips the script. Instead of seeking her approval, you're setting a standard. You're subtly challenging her to prove she's confident and decisive. When you say this, she'll start thinking, do I know what I want? Do I meet his standards? And here's the secret. Women are naturally drawn to men who have standards. It shows confidence, self-respect, and maturity. Phrase number 3. That's what I like most about you. Instead of saying something generic like you're beautiful, highlight something unique about her. For example, the way you talk about your dreams is inspiring. Your energy is contagious. When you notice the small details, it makes her feel special. And when you say that's what I like most about you, she'll start thinking, wow, he really sees me. Timing is key. Use this phrase when she's sharing something personal or passionate. Phrase number 4. I don't think you're ready for me yet. This one is powerful because it creates a playful challenge. She'll immediately wonder, why wouldn't I be ready? What makes him so different? Use this in a teasing way. If she brags about something, smile and say, interesting, but I don't think you're ready for me yet. It shifts the dynamic. Instead of trying to win her over, you make her feel like she has to prove herself to you. And that's exactly what makes her intrigued. Phrase number 5. I don't know if you can handle me. Confidence is attractive. Arrogance is not. This phrase is playful, lighthearted, and flirty. It makes her curious. Why wouldn't I be able to handle him? Say it with a smirk when she teases you or tries to challenge you. It keeps the conversation dynamic and fun. Phrase number 6. I'm not that easy. This is the ultimate game changer. Most guys try too hard. They're too available, too eager. But when you say I'm not that easy, you become a challenge. And women are drawn to challenges. If she flirts with you, respond with confidence. I don't fall for just anyone. And if she asks, what do I have to do? Just smile and say, maybe I'll tell you someday. That little bit of mystery keeps her hooked. Final thoughts. These 6 phrases aren't just words. They're tools. Tools to make you stand out, build attraction, and create deeper connections. But remember, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Confidence, eye contact, and a playful tone make all the difference. Try them out and watch how the energy shifts. And if you found this valuable, subscribe for more insights into attraction, psychology, and relationships. See you in the next one.